All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back and we are recapping our day 2 events. And so, day 2 is our trip to the clinic to get our scans and get blood work.
hmm This is me getting blood work. She's drawing my blood. She was pretty good too. I didn't feel anything. I didn't even know Amir was recording this. This might be against HIPAA law.
Don't think it's against HIPAA law, but is HIPAA in Barbados?
HIPAA should be everywhere. I think it's against HIPAA law.
Mm. Well, there's the map, y'all, of all the successful stories that they have.
I don't
And
know if it's
everybody.
Successful, but I think it's people who came from
Maybe it's just
places to
yeah.
Barbados
So
to get IVF.
we're way down here right now. This was our walk back after leaving the clinic.
Oh, that's how my hair color looks from the back.
And sorry for the shaky camera footage. Again, rolling shutter. Need to upgrade the camera. We'll get that fixed for you guys. But yeah, this is how the streets of Barbados look. Everybody just honks. That's how they communicate. They communicate by honking. And we haven't witnessed this story yet. They supposedly sell ice creams and slushies, but they look a little janky, huh? You probably haven't even noticed them.
I see the ice cream sign. I want the ice cream every time I walk past it. That's the ocean.
That is the beautiful ocean.
It's gorgeous.
We got some breakfast from Burger King and sat down at the beach on the boardwalk. And that water is some of the prettiest water I've ever seen in my life. And yeah, day 2 was pretty cool. My beautiful baby.
That's me sweating, y'all. I'm dark. The heat gets to me. And I think Amir was too slow. That crab caught him trying to catch them and left. I think, is that it?
There was 2 of them. That's one of them.
I think he finna take off, huh?
He didn't run. He just kind of sat there.
Oh. One of them took off quick.
Yeah. Then this hermit crab pulled up on us, and I tried to interact with him, but he just ducked off in his shell, and so we cut him out. But yep, this is my baby. First time getting in the ocean, partly. But yeah, I was proud of her. She walked out there, got her feet wet, literally. You know.
Yeah, I'm going as. Oh my God, edit that out. I'm going as far as that rock that y'all see.
And it was cold water.
It felt good. It wasn't that cold. It wasn't that cold.
Yeah, I can't wait to get in this water. It looks good. I want to just lay down and let the waves splash over me over and over again. That's what I'm looking forward to. Hopefully it's like really hot when we go out and actually get to go to the beach for real. But apparently this is like one of the more rougher beaches where the waves are kind of never calm. As you can see, they just keep coming. So we're probably going to go down further south. She thinks she's on a. But yeah, she had fun. I was proud of you.
Y'all, this is my first time seeing the footage myself, so.
Oh. Yeah, see, we actually already recorded this episode, but I messed up her mic, and you couldn't hear her. She sounded like a robot underwater, so I had to redo everything. But at least on this day 2 episode, I got some footage of actually what Barbados kind of looks like. It's not much that we got. We didn't do too much. We just went to the clinic, grabbed some breakfast, stopped by the beach to eat the breakfast, and Shakira was out there doing her thing.
Shout out to NMD. They get wet just just as quick as they dry.
And yeah, after we did that, we came back. Her doctor gave her some of this rum,
which I didn't get to drink. I don't understand how I'm giving liquor while I'm trying to have a child, but
I keep telling her that it's good for her to get her juices flowing, but she don't believe me.
well,
So I drank it. It tastes like turmeric, but this is that seasoning that we got from the store, Bayesian seasoning. I couldn't get my autofocus to work, but yeah, this is the dolphin fish right here.
it was delicious.
It's pretty good. I kind of like this fish. I do. I think I should have got some different seasonings, but I wanted to try their homegrown seasonings. So
I think they're good.
yeah, it wasn't bad. So after we came back to the apartment, that's pretty much all we did. I just cooked up some food real quick for us. You can see that fish. It's not too bony. It's got them thick bones right there in the middle. I guess that's the spine, and then it's got a couple other little bones in there, but not too bad. It's not a real bony fish at all. But you like it, huh?
Mm-hmm. Y'all are about to witness how Amir pats fish.
That sounded a little provocative. Just a little provocative. They didn't have a regular knife, so I had to use a butter knife, y'all. Don't think I'm just a psycho or something. That's all we had to
There's
work
not
with.
a regular knife in there.
Mm-mm.
As y'all can tell, I don't be in the kitchen. I'm focusing on other things.
Yep, just cutting up some little aromatics. I didn't really have a plan of what I wanted to cook. I just know we needed some meat and some veggies and some sides, so I didn't want to go crazy. Obviously, I think we only got this apartment for like 2 more days, so I don't know if the next place we have will have a kitchen or not. So I didn't want to just buy too much food. You see, I got this big old bag of flour, and that coconut goo,
Delicious.
not good at all. It's like cream of coconut,
We taking that flour back to the U.S.
and it looks nasty on the inside. But and it made the rice. I didn't like the way the rice tasted when I put it in there. I should have left it out.
It was delicious.
Shakira liked it though, so she likes it. I love it. But yeah, I wasn't a huge fan of the rice at all. But I think this bell pepper, garlic, and onion little saute situation that I did definitely helped the fish and the rice. But again, the fish was good by itself. Like after I got done eating the rice, I had some fish left over by itself because I was trying to figure out what tasted nasty to me. And I was praying it wasn't the fish. And it wasn't. So, dolphin fish for the win. It's not a dolphin, y'all. It's a mahi mahi fish, but they call it dolphin fish out here. That's their fish seasoning that I threw on there. And of course, their Bayesian seasoning. Bayesian seasoning is unique. Can't really tell you what it tastes like. It don't really have a distinctive taste, but
That's Amir patting the fish, y'all.
that's how I pat the fish.
It's my favorite part of the video.
Oh my god! Yeah,
Look how he pats it like a pro. Look at that. Look at it. Seasoning it, patting it. I'm assuming he finna flip it.
Do flip it. I don't know if I left that part in here or not. I think I just kind of cut to it, but
know that it got flipped, child.
yeah,
definitely. And then he patted the other side.
I definitely patted the other side.
Fully patted fish.
Oh my god.
FP.
FPF.
I know. I knew that. I wanted you to finish it off. I wanted you to finish it off.
So this is the process, y'all. Nothing too crazy. Just throwing some of that German butter in there with some garlic, and it's already got herbs in the butter. Just throw your garlic in there, throw your onions in there, little bell peppers. Real simple. Like if you don't know how to cook, this is foolproof method right here. Put a lot of butter, cook it on low, medium heat. Don't cook it all the way first. I like to get it to about 75% and then stop it. And then after that, once everything else is done, you can crank it back up so it can finish off and give you that nice caramelization.
Oh, you have the stove is gas.
Gas stove. Almost forgot what I was doing. Had to Google it. But yeah, pretty much how the day 2 went. Threw that fish in there. Grilled it up. It only took like 5-10 minutes. Not even 10 minutes. Maybe about 5 minutes, 7 minutes for the fish. Came out pretty good. That pot's a little thin, so it heated up real quick. So you'll see one of the fishes is a little darker than the others after they get flipped. But see right here, the rice looks good, but it wasn't good to me. It wasn't good to me at all. I was disappointed. Yeah, you see my little dark fish over there? My baby's sleepy, y'all.
I don't know why, Mom. We always sleepy. We had acupuncture today, so
Yeah, so this is the recap of what we did yesterday. Because again, I messed up on the video.
Did you get any video for today?
No video for today.
Obviously, Amir is not a professional at this, y'all. So
I tried to get video from the acupuncture, but when I tried to grab my phone, the needle that was in my thumb was activating. So I was like, no, let me just stop. And I didn't bring my camera with us today, but all we did was just walk. And yeah, here's the finished plate. That's salt bread right there, y'all.
It's delicious.
Top tier. We're gonna buy some more.
We ate it today with eggs and bacon.
That's my plate. Made it all cinematic for y'all. But that's it, y'all. Hope y'all enjoy the video.
It wasn't even 15 minutes old.
Yeah, we kept the video short this time. So I'll probably throw up a picture or image of us right here. Probably from the first time we did the video. So y'all could see that we actually was here doing it. But yeah, kept this one short and sweet. Wasn't a lot that we did. I'll do a recap for.
We do a lot in a day. It's just not video prone.
Nah, we didn't do nothing.
We did something.
We didn't do nothing yesterday.
We did.
We didn't do nothing yesterday.
We did.
No, we didn't.
We did.
Well,
we do something every day.
I don't know what she's talking about, guys, but
yeah. We live life. We live life. If we had a camera on our foreheads, it would be more entertaining because they would be able to see everything from walking to the store to how rude the fish lady was.
Yeah, I was gonna record that, but I didn't want to give her no press. She was looking mean, but
to the lady at the stand that you brought the bell peppers and the onions for, she's a really, really nice lady.
Yeah, she's cool.
Older, nice lady. You can tell she works very hard. Her stuff is fresh. Well, and Amir left her a tip, but she's just a really nice lady. Looks like she has like a real beautiful soul. She's real cool.
Yeah, she told us to make sure we go to the city and party. She said we need to go to karaoke night. So, well, like I said, this is just our first day. We're still getting our footing. We're still focused on what we came out here for, and so we haven't really been able to just relax and chill and turn up and explore yet. But
I won't be able to, but I can video Amir doing it.
What do you think I'm gonna be doing?
Videoing yourself?
No, I'm saying, what do you mean you can't do? What can't you do?
Like drinking, turning up, stuff like that. I can't do it.
You can't drink, but you can.
I'm not. Amir doesn't understand that I'm not doing anything. Well, I can watch.
Whatever she decides to do is up to her, y'all. But
swipe to the left.
We're going to end this here. Day 3 recap will be coming soon. I'll do a recap for day 3 which won't be much because it rained today. Stop. It rained today, so we pretty much got stuck in the apartment. But I did do some barbecuing, so I'll give you a quick day 3 recap tomorrow. A little 5-minute video or something, and that'll be that. But yep, appreciate y'all for tapping in. More on the way.